We're off now to Adrian's Wall and Sycamore Gap, where it was vandalised, and those little tearaways cut that beautiful tree down, which is sad because it was iconic, but we're going there anyway, as you do. Glad they got a custodial sentence, mind you. We've been so lucky with the weather. Everybody's so responsible slowing down for the horse. Excellent. I think we might get a shower or two, but let's hope they pass over and no trouble today. That's a real old-fashioned bridge, isn't it? Must be a stream or a little river here, winding its way down through. It's all changeable, sun comes out, another shower. I'm hoping it's going to get better as the day goes on. I checked the weather and the app said that it ain't that bad. It lied. Now that's a beautiful view over there. That's the way we're going. Hopefully into the sun. So Dan's been very sensible, stopping, letting everybody get their waterproofs on. Drier here. Means it's going to rain, doesn't it? At least they look a bit puffier clouds, not so black. I like that. Been there for a few years, I bet. There's Hadrian's Wall. I don't know if you can see that. Bit of Hadrian's Wall. We'll see bits and pieces as we go along, and it's not straight either. I thought it'd be straight. It goes all over the place, doesn't it? They walk it like the Great China Wall, don't they? They go along it. Good views up here. Very cold, we're up high. Really running along the top of a ridge. I tell you, 4 miles across this is actually quite nice. Perhaps when we leave here it'll be a bit better weather. Yeah. Now over there you can see a yellow jacket. That's Robert, and there's Michelle, probably about to have a heart attack. She's going to climb up there, and you have to go over the top, and then you see Sycamore Gap in the distance. Now you can either do that and go and see it, or you can look on Google, or rely on that drone to go over there for you. I think I'm going to let the drone go for me. We sheltered in a cafe at the visitors centre for a while to get out of heavy rain to save us all getting absolutely drenched. Over there, minus the tree, that square, see the square? Yeah, or where it was. Nice view across there. Lovely big dark cloud we're heading towards, that's good, isn't it? Can't wait, no. Castle just in front. Can't beat it. Lovely old castle. Leaving Warkworth Castle, this is the coastline, absolutely gorgeous. The whole area is nice, but it looks better when the sun's out. We had a lot of heavy rain today, so I didn't do a lot of filming. But it's the only day we've had with heavy rain, and it hasn't been all day, fortunately. Going along with your bike gear on, it all dries out, which is happy days. So I think going back tomorrow is going to be not too pleasant, but a huge thank you to Robert, who plans all the routes as normal. Massive amount of work, and he's got the best out of Northumberland for us. Good work done, mate.